Finally, a couple of days ago I celebrated my 1-year anniversary. It's 1 year since I shaved my beard. And today I'm gonna do a proper trim. I got my clippers, I put the guard on, and I'm gonna do my sides first. Side's done. I kinda fucked it up this side a little bit. I'm just gonna go back. I'm taking off my guard and I'm gonna do the top line next. Alright, next is the bottom line. And we can already see the difference. Now it's going to be a tricky part. I'm going to trim my sides a little, give it a little bit of shape. And I want to take a little bit of my bottom part. And the reason I want to do that is because now that my beard is a little bit longer, the bottom part is a little bit transparent. So I want to take a little bit off the bottom and then keep growing it out and hopefully it will fill in. I have no idea what to do with my mustache. I haven't touched my mustache for 1 year. I think it needs a trim, but I don't know. Guys, leave a comment below and let me know what you think I should do with my mustache. Alright, now I need to take off a little bit of my length, which I really don't want to do, but I have to. Not my best trim, it's a little uneven, but I'm gonna leave it like that and I'm gonna let my beard grow out again. Now I've got a ton of loose hairs in my beard, so I'm gonna take a shower, wash my beard and then blow dry it. As I already mentioned, this is not my best job, and I already miss my long big beard. But unfortunately, it was the necessary evil. This is how I looked before. And this is how I look right now. Which one is better?